Okay, this is a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I have two problems, and it appears that it was caused by the same culprit. My cruise control, I can turn it on and the light will go on, but it won't engage. That was one problem. No matter what speed I was going, it would not engage. Then my other problem was my ventilation controls. No matter where I had it, the ventilation would only come out of the defrost and the floor, no matter what speed. And we'll head around to the front of the car and I'll show you what the culprit was. Alright, we're in front of the car right now, and I had to take out the passenger headlight, which was very easy to do. And behind the passenger headlight, it's hard to see, maybe I'll get a flashlight and try to show you. Right down there is a little nipple, and on that nipple is a hose, and this here is the hose. It's a 1/4 inch vacuum line, and as you can see right here, it's got a crack in it. That controls both the AC ventilation controls and the cruise control. So I replaced that, replaced the headlight, and I'm back in gear.